A House Gates presents today's smart home and security tip. The power goes out. You pull the emergency cord on your garage door and open it manually. Problem solved. But then the power comes back, and you never switch it back. That one small habit leaves your garage without auto reverse, without sensors, without any of the safety features that protect your family. Weeks pass. The door still works, so nobody notices. A temporary fix quietly becomes a permanent risk. After any manual override, always restore your garage door to automated mode. Follow A House Gates Limited at www.ahousegates.co.k or call and WhatsApp us on +2 541100 99292 for more smart home and security tips.